Hey Curly Tees! Today we're making a conditioning hair mask with aloe and artichoke leaf extract meant to soften and detangle the hair. Distilled water is the preferred diluent. Don't use tap or spring water. Use distilled or deionized water. Okay, now 20% of the water phase will be set aside for use in the cool down phase. You'll see why later. Glycine betaine, aka beet sugar extract, is a great humectant for hair and skincare. Use glycerin if you don't have this. Aloe powder 100X is a nice addition. It's said to have like soothing properties and helps keep the pH optimal in this recipe. Propanediol, aka 1,3-propanediol, aka Nature Silk, one of my favorites, is a solvent, a glycol alternative, a humectant, a preservative booster, just a lot of stuff. It has a multi-purpose use. Okay, hear me out. YouTube, stay tripping. This channel is not monetized, thus and therefore, members at CURLYTEA.com have access to the full videos, instructions, ingredient list, and my notes. So come join us today. It's intended to be a hair mask, so it's heavy, but you can leave it in if that works for you. Just try it out and see if you like it. Just make sure your hair is wet first. This definitely works better if your hair is wet already. Now I apply this after shampooing and I just let it sit under a plastic cap for about 15 minutes. I rinse all or most of it out and my hair feels soft afterwards. But I also use a separate leave-in to make sure that my curls are well moisturized. I need to make this again and leave it in to see what'll happen, but you guys test it out, see how you like it, and use it the way that it works for you. Anyway, thanks so much for watching the video, and don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes and formulas, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.